this is Carrie from Joice Hair. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I will show you our mono topper. This hair product is very popular in the market. You can see this one is natural color and a straight texture. Very natural. Show you the details. You can see it's mono topper. Very comfortable and breathable. Clip. And very easy to install it. I'll show you. You can see very natural looking and blade very real. Let's see this. Very natural looking. The hair very strong, no shading. No shading. If you interested in it, you can contact me. I will put my WhatsApp number and the video